Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you what are events in LinkedIn. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. LinkedIn events are a surprisingly useful way to find prospects. With the right tips and strategies, you can growth hack LinkedIn events to amass a long list of prospects and clients. You create an event on LinkedIn to promote a real-world event. You share the information about the event on LinkedIn and use the platform to invite people. There's no need to automate LinkedIn messaging to tell all your contacts about the event. You just invite them all. LinkedIn events can also promote virtual events like webinars or online workshops. You can technically create a LinkedIn event for anything. When you tap on the profile icon, you see in section Cal's events. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of upcoming event. When go to their profile, you will more about the event, and here you can also see number of attends. You can also invite your friend to the particular event by sharing the link of the event or by sending a private message. Just tap on the three dots and choose the action you like. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.